Today, I'm going to show you how to download a PDF file using Chatgpt in a very simple way. This is a quick and useful trick if you want Chatgpt to turn an answer into a downloadable PDF that you can save to your device, share with someone else, or keep for later. If this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. All right, let's get straight into it. First, open Chatgpt on your browser or app and make sure you're signed in. Once you're on the chat screen, ask Chatgpt a question just like you normally would. For example, you can type something simple like, "What is AI?" in simple words. You can use any topic you want, whether it's for school, work, business, or personal use. The important part is to get the content you want first. After Chatgpt gives you the answer, send a follow-up message and tell it to give you this in PDF. You can also say, "Convert this into a PDF," or make this response into a downloadable PDF file. Chatgpt will then generate the content in a PDF format if that feature is available on your account and device. Once the PDF appears, look for the download option. In most cases, you'll see a button or link that says "Download this PDF." Click on that and the file will start downloading to your device. After the download is complete, open your Downloads folder or Files app to find it. From there, you can rename it, move it, print it, or share it just like any other PDF file. If you don't see the PDF right away, refresh the page or make sure your Chatgpt version supports file generation. Sometimes the option may appear differently depending on whether you're using desktop or mobile, but the process is still very similar. So remember the steps. Open Chatgpt, ask your question, tell Chatgpt to give it to you in PDF, and then click Download this PDF. It's that easy. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple how-to guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.